Just kidding. Believe it or not, guys, yesterday's vlog, which I was working on, got corrupt for some reason. So I was trying to figure it out for like an hour yesterday, and then I just quit and passed out. So I'm continuing it today, and hopefully I can get this done so we can start today's vlog. Well, technically we've started it, but I want to go to the garage and continue because all the ideas are flowing in my head and I just want to get them out. Edits first. Hi. What the heck? I gotta clean this house. Go home, my baby. Watch. He knows how to turn the lights off. Go on, if you want to go outside, you have to turn the lights off. What the heck? No, over here, bro. Can you turn the lights off, please? Turn the lights off, please. Good boy. Oh, well. Yeah, good boy. See, for anybody who's wondering how I taught my dog how to turn the lights off, well, simply put, I just got him used to the clicking noise. And then he likes to stand on the wall to stretch his back. So I kind of just like put both of those together and he got it really quickly. Just like to chill out here, huh? This is seriously his favorite pastime. Oh, come on, man. What? But he does just like somebody to sit out here with him and bask, I guess. Bask in nature. Are you happy now? My friend, I'm gonna finish my video, okay? You look so sad. Wow, what a gorgeous day for November. This is actually, no, I'm not even gonna say anything. I don't wanna jinx it. So first things first, coffee, some sugar, and then we'll see you guys at the garage.
Anything else?
That's it!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. Perfect. It's so nice outside right now. What is this? Oh, I'm not supposed to say nothing about the weather. I'll go get a ring. So what daily vlogging has taught me is how to really value your time. So I've been strict with my schedule. It also motivates you to get the most out of your days. But right now, computer work. What's up, Doggy? Hi. Get the RBV2 in here. Apparently this guy destroyed his gas tank or something. I should just start bringing Gohan here so you guys have someone to play with. I feel bad for this guy. He likes chilling with me for some reason. It's because I treat him nice. Hi, buddy, I'm here. Or he smells Gohan on me. Yeah, before any of the car stuff, computer work first. I have a few campaigns to send out. This is why I'm kind of sad I don't really have a team. Like, you have to be specific with what you delegate. So in terms of like marketing and having a sales force, I'm just one person. I do everything from writing the copyright on all of our newsletters to editing what's on the website. Oh, yeah. It's a lot of work, but also it's teaching me a lot too, so. And we got coffee. To-do lists. I'm telling you guys, I've restructured my entire life and how I carry out my days with these to-do lists. Well, that went a little quicker than I thought. I just went through everything that was on my list that said computer stuff. But the next thing actually demands that I use my tablet, my drawing tablet, which I don't have here, so onto the car stuff. All right, friends, day 2 of working on our mini XP camper build, and today we work on the flooring, plus creating secret compartments that go inside that flooring. Let's go. But first, to finish things off on our frame, I had to create 2 more support structures for the front part so that the flooring had something to extend onto. Okay guys, time to start our flooring. And for this, to create the prototype, I'm gonna use the usual foam core, which you can just pick up at your local dollar store. 3 pieces should be enough because honestly, all you need to do is get one side, and well, most cars are symmetrical for the most part, so we're just gonna copy one side to the other. First, you wanna determine the length of the floorboard. So, take ruler, grab some tape and a pen, tape the pen to the ruler, like so. If that wasn't there. Whew. Okay, that's a super rough, but if we do it at least 4 to 5 times, we can get the average of all these lines and we'll get something fairly close. I usually use foam core to make these mock-ups. But what you see me doing here is a super genius way of getting the right contour of the walls, where you basically attach a pencil to a long stick and just trace it while you're dragging along the wall. Damn, that is insanely close. Just gotta finesse it now, cut in areas, and add if I need to. This part's easy. To get it super snug, here is technique number 2. Grab a washer and fit that onto that pen, just like that. Just take that and go along the wall. Dude, this works wonders. You know what, I'm gonna do this with a different color pen. Dude, your washer trick is perfect. Dude, especially to refine it, like some areas are way... Not gonna lie guys, that is a freaking perfect fit. Look at that. Now what you do to one side should work on the other side. So we'll just flip this. That's pretty good. And actually, that's exactly where I want it to stop, because I want the boards to be supported on the center of the beams. So for this side, when we cut out the board template, we're gonna have to shorten it just a little bit. So let's just mock up all the pieces that we need to cut. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And like I said, these ones will be removable. I'm gonna need that. Here's one of the secret compartments. That's gonna be for the battery, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna cut this part out completely yet. So I'll just keep it on, cut it as one whole shape, and then we'll worry about that later. Let's transfer this onto our big sheet of ply. This is taking way too long, plus it's getting too smoky in here, so I'm gonna take a small break. But we got a couple of the pieces cut out. Check. Oh, beautiful. Now it's just playing Tetris. It's only that. Okay. Let's just finish this up. Still got stuff to do at home. Yeah, let's cut the rest. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. It's like a puzzle piece. Guys. All right, friends, flooring is done. Oh, cutting these pieces of wood took way too long, especially with that rotary. I mean, there's definitely faster ways to do it, but work with what you got. And of course, we still have access to these guys, but the idea is to make some sort of latch system so it stays in place, but I can also just open it whenever I need it. Cool, man. Now we have this, we get an even better idea of the kind of space we're working with. Or you know what, let me put you guys down and I'm gonna sit in here. Ta-da! And then our futon, the chair that we're gonna build for the inside of the XB is probably gonna sit like this. That's not all that much headroom, but there's gonna be an extension of the seat going over here so that if I wanted, I can actually really stretch my legs. What's cool is we still have usable space right here. Show you guys what it looks like from this side. It's kind of just like a ledge, but I'll pretty this part up with some sort of edge or trim. And obviously it ain't gonna be finished like this. It's kind of ugly, so I'm gonna go to Rona tomorrow or when we decide to finish this up and buy some either tile, like fake tile, or marble for the top of a table. And then I'll just use that as my flooring. Like, you know what I'm talking about, that like fake laminate stuff. Even though these are still gonna be accessible, I'm gonna do my best to make the flooring seamless so you don't see any of these lines. This is pretty much our flooring, guys. I am gonna finish up this video at home, so see you back at the home studio base. Man, I smell like campfire. Every time I come home, he always picks on my shoe. So cute. Okay. Shoe first. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. Are you happy to see me, doggy? What? He won't go down. What the? Oh, finally. What? Took 10 shots. What are you doing? What you looking for, man? Guys, I forgot to even eat my soup that I ordered from Tim Hortons this morning. That's what happens. I get lost in the flow and I just don't eat my food. That's why I'm so skinny. Go on, I just fed you, dude. It's my turn. But luckily, my buddy Shane ordered pizza. It ain't for you, bruh. This guy's so good at making me feel bad. Go on later, okay? And then I promised myself that I would do some digital art later. Anime first. So I finally gave Rurouni Kenshin a shot. Then I came to the realization that learning was probably a better use of my time. So I watched some After Effects tutorials and then did some more research on how to pimp out our XB Studio build, taking pointers from DualX on YouTube. Then I spent a good amount of the rest of my night just practicing digital art. Well, friends, oh man, I can't even talk. It's 4 a.m. right now. I was gonna say tomorrow's another day, but tomorrow is today. I think I'm too tired, guys. Remember, I'm new to digital art, so I'm still getting used to transferring my traditional way of doing things onto a tablet. Also, guys, the dailies are just, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's keeping me on my toes, but it's a lot of work because then I still have to do the editing. I wish I did have an editor myself, but like I've stated in the past, I've fallen in love with the process and I actually love the editing. I feel like if I were to give the editing off to someone else, they wouldn't get that same like Birdy flavor, you know? It's like sometimes I'm hours into the edit and then random ideas just come into my head post-edit. And these are ideas probably not everybody would think of, but I'm not saying that there's nobody out there in the world that can't edit like me. It's possible for me to find that person, even if I have to train them just a little bit. I'm okay with doing it right now. I just don't know if I can do the dailies like I said I could, just because I like to do so much in a day. Like, I wish I only drew. No, that's a lie. Okay, guys, I'm just starting to beak off right now. I'm just getting this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this semi-DIY, the XB part, feel free to watch one of my other DIY tutorial videos. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I know a majority of you who are watching this right now aren't. So, appreciate you guys for watching. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Good morning. Alright, go on. I'm gonna sleep on the floor with you tonight, okay? Guys, I'm trying a polyphasic sleeping schedule. I sleep 3 hours and then I just rest throughout the day. This way, I get the most out of the day and I still get my proper amount of rest. I'm not kidding, I'm actually gonna sleep here tonight. This is also really good for your back.